Hey, also continuing from my previous example where I showed you how to install ROS Humble and running a turtle sim, what you can see is that it created this toml file and this log file, which shows you which packages it needs to recreate this virtual environment, which was put in this folder structure in the .pixi folder. If I want this to work on more than just OS X ARM, I can add all of these platforms, for instance Linux, the Raspberry Pi type of Linux, and Windows. I can do Pixi log again, and it will try to solve this environment for all the dependencies that I have for all these platforms. So now I am sure this log file contains it for Windows, OS X, and ARM, and we can check that quickly with switching through the log file. So now it also logged everything for Windows, Linux, and OS X separately. So we can make sure that if we share this file with others, that they will be able to install it no matter which platform they're running it on. And that's how easy it is to install ROS packages with Pixi. Thank you.